Alright guys, this is just a quick video to show you how, now a lot of people like to go all out for Valentine's Day, but for the kids, my kids, and what our tradition is, I try my best to wait after Valentine's Day, depending on what it is or what it is I'm trying to do for them. So I want to just show y'all how we're going to surprise them with their Valentine's Day gifts. And we're going to be going on a getaway, which they don't know about. So we're going to be going on a getaway, and they're going to get these gifts on the getaway. So this is RIZZY'S box. So when she opens it, she'll have her gift card from Five Below. But then inside here, I got one of her favorite candies, which was actually a funded Valentine's Day Valentine's card. So I took those all out so they can fit in the box, and I filled it with that, along with a lot of other little cute things that I want her to have from Target. So you can see she has all these, and everything was 50% off. So this box was like $1.50 for these fun dips, and she's not going to eat them all right away. I got this from Target, like a friendship bracelet that she can create for her and her friend. I got two I didn't mean to, so I just put in the other box. So I got these little kissy lips, some slime, a little coloring thingy, some sour candies, some bubble gum. She loves bubble gum. A little Today I Choose Love sign, rustic looking sign. This came from Walmart. Everything came from Walmart except for these here, these items here. She had a little notepad, magnetic notepad. Those came from Target. Everything else came from Walmart. This came from Target. And that's her little gift from myself and her dad for Valentine's Day. Just something cute for them to have, and they got some goodies and stuff. Oh, and she has a big thing of chocolate underneath there, which was 50% off, so that's hers. And then Naya has a gift card as well, and I gave them $15, and this is hers. She loved Jolly Rancher, so I got her the Jolly Rancher Pops, took them out of the box. She liked Reese's Pieces, and she also liked sour stuff. And she got the little clips to do pictures in her room, a notepad, a rustic sign as well. And then I just put the other bracelet in here. I felt so bad because I ended up getting more stuff for Rizzy. And Naya has the big thing of chocolate and that. Hold on. So that was Naya's. I'm going to wrap these up because she's trying to come downstairs. So I'm going to wrap them up and close them up. I'll be back. So I'm just using a recycled JCPenney box, and I'm going to put some ribbons and stuff on it, and that's going to be what they look like. And all of this stuff was way cheaper than buying it before Valentine's Day. So just wanted to share that, and sorry for the whispering, but I hope you guys can hear me. All right.